Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I'm Jaypriya, your computer science faculty. Children, now our first two lessons, that is revision tool first and second is over. That two lessons you are already studied in. Okay, that's why these two lessons are very easy to you, that I know. But see, from today onwards, we will start our new topics. Okay, our first topic is functions. Okay, so your first lesson name is working with functions. Children, have you heard about the word function? Okay, maybe you heard in your plus one about function because we studied that the identifiers are the names given to variables, functions, objects, classes, etc. Okay, do you know what is functions? Okay, so children, see, suppose we have a program. Okay, program contains more than thousands lines. Okay, a program with more than 1,000 lines of statements. Okay, see, is it easy to remember all the variable names in our mind? Is it easy? No, it's not easy to remember all the variables names and all the values that are assigned to the variable. It's not easy. In that cases, what we will do? Yes, we will divide the entire program. That is the large program we divide into small program. Okay, that process is called, or that small program is called, which one? Functions. Okay, so we can define a function as a subprogram. Okay, a function is a subprogram that acts on data and often returns some values. Clear? Once again, a function is a subprogram that acts on data and often returns some values. Okay, this is the definition for function. Now I will explain how to define a function and how to call a function. Okay, so first we can understand what is a function. See children, see what is this? 2x square. Yes, this is a polynomial. Okay, this polynomial you are already studied in your mathematics. Okay, see, can you say what is the value of this 2x square? How to find the value of 2x square? Yes, we will apply some values to the variable x. Okay, x is a variable. Suppose we apply variable value 1. Then what is the answer? 2 into 1 square is equal to 2. This is the answer for value 1. Okay, when we give 2, then we can write 2 into 2 square is equal to 8. Okay, or we can say that f of x, we can define this polynomial as a function, that is f of x equal to 2x square. Clear? F of x equal to 2x square. That is, when you apply 1, the answer will be 2. When you give 2, the answer will be 8. When you give 3, what will be the answer? 3 square 9, 9 into 2, 18. Okay, so what value you apply here, what value you passing through this f of x? Okay, that one is called argument. Okay, that one is called argument. Okay, the values or the parameter that you are passing to a function is called argument or parameter. Okay, the value that are passing to a function is called argument or parameter. So we can say that this 2x square is equal to f of x equal to 2x square. So we can say this 2x square is a function. Clear? So listen, see here 2x square, then f of x equal to 2x square. Okay, so this is the code for a function in Python. Okay, how to define or how to write a function in Python. See children, def calc something of x. Okay, def calc something of x, then colon. Okay, then r is equal to 2 into x into again into 2. Okay, what is this meaning? To find the square, you can put 2 star mark or 2 into mark. Then return r. See, can you see the keyword def? This keyword says that this is a function. Okay, this keyword def means this keyword define a function. Okay, DEF means that define a function. That tells the compiler the following one is a function. Okay, then what is this calc something? This is an identifier. Okay, this is an identifier. That is, this is the function name. Calc something is the function name that is given by the user. Okay, see here one x. Okay, what is that? This one is called argument. Okay, this one is called argument or parameter. This is the value or the variable we passing to this function. Okay, DEF means it define a function calc something of x where x is the variable that is passing to the function. Okay, that means this function is work with this variable. Clear? That is r is equal to 2 star x star star 2. That is, this is the body of the function. Clear? This is the body of the function. Okay. Return R means this is a statement to return the computer result. Whatever the result or whatever function or whatever the value you assign to this variable R, that value will be returned. Clear? So, DEF, to define a function, you can use the keyword DEF. Then you can give any function name. Then you can write the argument list. But remember one thing, how many arguments you passed while calling a function is same as the number of arguments defined in the function. Okay. Now I will explain how to call a function and how to pass the arguments to the function. So listen here. Here we have one code a is equal to int input enter a number. Okay. Then print calc something of a. That means here first we read a number. That number is assigned to the variable a. Okay. The number is assigned to the variable a. Then the function calc something. This function is called inside the print statement. Okay. Print of calc something a means the print statement called the function calc something. So the execution will jump to this function. See, in this calc something, here we'll pass the value 5 that we received in the variable x. That will work with the variable x or with the value 5. Okay. Then the last statement of this function is return r. Return r means, see here, 2x square. Okay. When the value of this x is 5, what will happen? Here 5 square 25. 25 into 2, 50. Then return r means the function return the value 50. That 50 will print here. Okay. First we read a number into the variable a. Then inside the print statement we call the function calc something of a. That means the variable a we passed into the function calc something. Then the function will work with the variable x. Then return the computer result will be returned to the print statement. So the print statement will print the answer. This is one method to call a function. The other method is, see, the common method is function name then value to be passed or the argument. Okay, first you can define the function name, then you can write the argument. That is calc something of 5. Okay, this is also one method to, this is my first method. This is second method to call a function. See how we call this function. Calc something of 5 means we directly send one value to the variable. We directly send one value to the function calc something. Okay, this is the second method to call a function. The other method is you can give the value inside the program. Okay. See here we read from the user. Okay. You can read one value or you can give one value directly to the variable. See, a is equal to 7. Then calc something of a. Clear? That is here a is assigned as 7. Then that variable, that value is passed into calc something function. So this function will work with the value 7. These are the 3 methods to call a function. Is it clear? To define a function, then to call a function. To call a function, you can write the function name, then the argument list. Okay, when you use this syntax, you can write calc something of 5. Or you can use any function, you can pass the value directly. See here, print calc something of A. See this variable A, we read through the statement, enter a number. Here also calc something of A. Okay, always we are using function name, then argument. So this is the way to invoke a function. Clear? Okay. See children, there are 3 types of functions. First one, built-in functions. Second one, functions defined in modules. And third one, user-defined functions. Okay. First one, built-in functions. Built-in functions means these are predefined functions that we can use always in our program. Built-in functions are predefined functions that we can use always in our program. For example, print, input, len, okay, type. These are the some examples for the built-in functions. Second one, the functions defined in modules. Functions defined in modules means these are also predefined functions, but these functions are defined some modules. Okay, that means to use a function sign. Okay, to use this function sign, you need to import the module math. Okay, you can import the module math to use the function sign. Okay, so functions defined in modules is also predefined functions that are defined in some modules. And then last one, user-defined function. User-defined functions means the functions defined by the user. Okay, these are the different types of functions. Okay, children, now I believe you all understood how to define a function and how to call a function. On the next lecture video, I will explain how to work with these functions. Okay, how to write a program by using this function. Okay, bye.